Since I'm doing so many things today, I'm in a rush, so let's get through this together. Transition. Since I'm eating out, there will be no breakfast today. Since I'm heading to the beach, we're gonna go back and change. Now we're ready to hit the waves. See you at the beach. Have a glance at that warm, beautiful sunset ready for a new rise. Just makes me warm up inside. Well, of course I needed a little dinner and relaxing midnight soothe campfire. We're going to Greek Feast, one of the best Greek food in Greece. This place looks interesting, and so is the menu. So I got veggies and hummus. Also, there are little droppings of veggies in the hummus too. Also got a burrito, which has the most juiciest and flavored meat in there. But you know, a day always ends. So I wrapped up the day and myself in a cozy towel and showered. And that was it. Day 2 gone by. See you in day 3. Good night.